Today, Quinn and I are going to show you how to make stained glass hearts without actually using real glass.
Art with Miss Ellis.
Welcome to Art with Miss Ellis. I'm Miss Ellis and this is
Quinn.
And welcome to our Valentine's Day special! Today we are making stained glass hearts.
Stained glass heart.
So before we get started on our stained glass hearts, we have to make black glue for our project. And Quinn and I are going to show you how to do that right now. So in order to make black glue, you're going to need regular glue and black paint. Make sure your glue is about 75% full. You're going to fill the other 25% up with black paint.
Black paint.
Here we go.
Oh, that was great.
Now you put the lid back on.
Now shake it.
That's right. You're gonna shake it for about a minute. So what are we gonna do?
Shake it.
We're gonna
Shake that crew. Shake that crew. Shake that crew. Shake that crew.
All right, so next thing you will need are some clear binder dividers. Now I ordered these off of Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can get them at any store that sells school supplies. Now next thing you are going to do is draw and cut out a heart from a regular sheet of paper. I like to do it on paper first so that I can go ahead and trace it onto the divider. Now you are going to take a black Sharpie and trace your heart. Now take your Sharpie again and draw patterns in your heart. I just like to draw straight lines. I'll show you. I like drawing straight lines like this because I think it looks more like stained glass, but you do whatever you want to do. Be creative. All right, so remember that black glue that we made earlier? Now we're going to use it. First, I want you to practice using your black glue on a scrap sheet of paper, just until you feel like you are used to it and the color looks right. And then when you are ready, use the black glue to go over your heart and the pattern. Once you have completely gone over your heart and your pattern, carefully put your heart in a safe place until it is dry. You may even want to let it dry overnight. Make sure your glue is dry. Then use Sharpies to color it in. Once heart has been colored in, use a pair of scissors to cut it out. Only use scissors under parental supervision. Now use double-sided tape on the back of the heart to tape it to a window. And now you have a stained glass heart. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like the video, please subscribe. We release new videos every Monday. Tune in next week as we continue with our children's book series. We're going to be doing an episode based on Pete the cat.
Pete the cat.
Pete the cat. Until next time, bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Shake that crew.